So, do we have an agreement, isn't it? Yes. The meeting was successful. We acquired a new client. It's all thanks to you. Bravo. You'll be taken care of financially. You don't need to change. You're great as you are. Don't walk away from your stability. We're your family. Don't you want more? More money? More status? More everything? Fast cars? Luxury? Admiration? Money. 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 Money.
The same nightmare, and you still won't look. Look at you. Is this who you wanted to be? Or just what they needed you to be? This is where you buried yourself.